Our topic is teacher as curriculum leaders. First, curriculum development. Teachers' attribution of expecting the creation of curriculum materials using logic with educational standard learning objectives and emerging educational trends. What is curriculum developments? The process is selecting, organizing, executing, and evaluating learning experience on the basis of the needs, abilities, and interests of learners and the nature of society or community. Next, implementation and adaptation. Curriculum leaders activities engage in implemental and adapting curriculum context based on ongoing assessment data, student payback, and embracing educational trends. Halimbawa is adaptation planning and implementation are dynamic iterative learning processing organizing the complementary role of adaptation strategies, plans, and action and different levels like national, subnational, and local. Next, profession collaboration. Teachers collaborate with colleagues, colleges, administration, and curriculum specialists and share assigning, exchange best practice and quality distribute and continuous improvement. Halimbawa is what professional collaboration is and is not. Genius professional collaboration is a way of working in partnership that acknowledge in professional standards in each person involved in underplanning and positive relationship, build up respect, reciprocity, and effective communication. Next, time constraint. Teachers often face time contains due having workload, limiting their competing to fully engage in curriculum development of refinement. So, what's reformation is while the time continues is depend of limitation imposed of by someone else, the station of depend as inability to reach the goals because of your own shortage of time. Next, resource limitation. Intuition resource including time, funding, and access to professional development opportunities can under teachers' abilities or effective lead curriculum inabilities. Resource limitation is the general occurrence with reduction in rates of resource uptake by biomass production or population growth that caused by low availability of energy and materials such as carbon, water, and other essential elements. Next is balancing responsibility, judging multiple responsibility such as classroom management, assessment of personal development can make it challenging of teachers to prioritize their role or curriculum leaders. Sample po is balancing self-caring and life organization is recurring and maintain good mental health with achieve a healthier balance by implementing strategies such as leading and organizing, setting boundaries, leveraging tasks, and searching support. Next, enchanted engagement. Curriculum leaders distribute to the creation of engagement and relevant learning materials, fostering increasing student interest and participation. Enchanted engagement in use address concern with combination integration conduct that those of addressing the global norms is the physical involvement brains of the global compact of OCE guidelines and environmental, social, and governance. Next is improve academic performance. Effective curriculum leadership correctly with environment academic performance as leader tolerate experiment approach the meet the device need of the student. So example is learn the organization your academic tasks based on your originating and importance. This help in management your working load more effective, keep your studying in steady and free from distraction of well organized space and improving focus of specialties. Next is lifelong learning skills. Teachers as curriculum leaders still lifelong learning skill is studied by emphasize critical thinking, problem solving, and adaptability within the curriculum. Example is um, long lifelong learning in an approach to learning wherever in personal or professional context that is continuous and self motivate long life learning and can be formal or informal and takes place throughout individual life from career to grave. Next is professional development. It is our ongoing professional development is for teachers their enchant that curriculum leadership skills. So leader skills is professional development is creating new skills and continuous education our career training after entering workforce and included takes classes of worship attending professional and discussory conference or engineering and contains in impacts your knowledge in your choosing field. And lastly is collaborative platforms. Collaborative platforms is collaborative curriculum development, encouraging teachers to working together, a share insight. Is online collaboration tools is software that let teams work together over the internet. Samples included Lux and Asana. Their purpose of this tool is to collaborate communication, collaboration, and teamwork for remote teams.